Okay, this is how to calculate paired samples t-test. So suppose we have 5 people and they all ate something bad. So this is the weight, their weight before and their weight after. Right? The first step is to calculate the difference, but be careful. The difference is supposed to be after minus before. Okay, so that's how we do it. This minus this. Okay, now we come up those differences. Then we calculate the mean of those differences. Okay, so negative 11. Then we calculate the standard deviation of these differences. Now mine is a 2010 version of Excel, so I do stdev.s. If you have older version, I think it's just this way. Okay, but anyway, let me highlight the whole thing and enter. Okay. So 4.3. Now the next step is because t-test they use the standard error instead of standard deviation, and I hope you still remember standard error. The formula is equal and then standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size, in this case 5. And finally, we are able to calculate the t-stat. Okay. This is done by equal and then use the mean of those differences divided by the standard error. Okay, so that's the value. Is this significant? Now we need to find the critical t-value to find out. Okay, so let's go to the t-table, which is page B4 on your textbook. Now to check the t-value, you need to know the degrees of freedom, which is 4. In this case, is n minus 1. And usually we focus on two-tail. Okay, so this 4, and then we go to two-tail, and it's 0.05 level. The value is 2.776. 2.776. Okay. Now is this one bigger than this one? Be careful. Don't be fooled by this negative sign. We always take the absolute value. Right? So 5.72, something like that. And then we compare. Now this one is much bigger, obviously. So the decision is we reject. No. Okay, it's that easy. Now I want to teach you another way. This is 2000 version again, and if you go to data, on the very far right hand side is this link called data analysis tool. If you don't have that, you probably go to this website. There's this website here, teach you how to get that. Okay, even older version. If you have an Excel 2007, step by step, how do you get this? Okay, or 2003. Okay, so um, now this is 2010. Usually, you just go to File, Options, Add-ins, and then you select Analysis Tool Pack, either right here or I think somewhere right here. And then you click on Go. You'll pop out this window, and then you click on here and then say OK. It will give you this data analysis tool. Alright, now I want to click on there, and then I'll select t-test paired to sample for means and click on OK. On this window, you first put out this variable 1 range. This is right here. You highlight this, and then click here, variable 2 range. Then you select output range here, click here, and then click on any cell you want to display the result. So in my case, I just click on here, okay, and then click OK. Now this table tells you first the t-stat. See, and the value is the same. except the sign, but it doesn't really matter. And then it also tells you if it is one tail, two tail. If it's two tail, the exact p-value. Now you look at this p-value, you know you need to reject now because it's much less than 0.05. Okay, so it's that simple.